And now, let us have a closer look at our pipeline of projects. I'm very happy to welcome Mr. Bernd Schramm, our Group COO, AMAC Aerospace. Bernd, what were the highlights in the last 12 months?
Amongst many highlights, certainly the redelivery of the A320 VVIP completion, the first NEO that was done in the world, is certainly the highlight of the last 12 months. Of course, in addition, we have all the installation of special systems, SATCOM systems, and especially self-defense systems. On the maintenance side, of course, the number of D-checks we did, especially on widebodies, but also on the business jets, like the Gulfstreams and the Bombardiers. With respect to marketing and shows, we participated the first time at the MIBA Air Show in Morocco last year. Then we participated in an interesting MRO in Dubai. There are many other highlights to be named, but if I have to point out some of in the last 12 months, I would mention those.
So Bernd, what other aircraft are being returned to their new owners soon?
We have a big bird in our hangars, a 747-8, which is basically completed. We are in the final commissioning and certification phase of that project, and we expect it to be redelivered by end of July.
So as we all know, Bernd, maintenance is our second business pillar within the company, not only here in Basel, but also in Turkey. Do you think the demand for maintenance projects has declined or increased for us in the last couple of months?
We all know we're living in a phase of crisis with regard to the COVID-19 issue. But I can say that on the maintenance side for VIP aircraft, we didn't see any decrease of demand. We were very busy since the beginning of the year. We will be busy further next few months. And if I would say, I would rather see an increase of maintenance demand than a decrease. With respect to AMAC Turkey, where the focus is more on airliner maintenance, we secured business for the winter season and the spring season. We will have to see whether there is a bigger impact due to the current situation on airline maintenance. But we also hope and are confident that we will keep our sister company in Turkey quite busy.
Still, like everyone else in the industry, we have to ensure that our supply chain network runs without interruption, don't we?
We have to, and having the hangars full, having completion project in work, having full work force in action requires that the supply chain is managed very well. And our purchasing and logistics department, they do a great job. We didn't experience any delays in equipment, material deliveries, and the close contact with the suppliers and forward planning allows us to also have a stable control on this supply chain.
Another milestone is our expansion at Euro Airport Basel with Hangar 5. Could you update us briefly about how we're progressing there?
One important pillar of our maintenance work is the maintenance on business jets. And besides the Gulfstream fleet that we are maintaining, we are also maintaining the Bombardier fleet, and we have been awarded to be a Bombardier authorized service facility. And for the increasing demand on the business jets, we have decided to build hangar number 5, which is currently in work and which is planned to be opened by autumn this year. And this hangar mainly will cover for the additional demand on business jet maintenance.
Thank you very much, Bernd.